Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm fishing at the Willows in Essex, and these carp are absolutely massive. The carp in here are known to be very elusive, and I think it's one of the harder lakes on the Chelmsford Club. But I can see lots of fish cruising, and I can see lots of little baby fry. This tells me that the carp might have spawned, and it means that they could be on the feed. So hopefully we'll get a few on the bank, and you'll get to see some of this lake's gems. There they are. I reckon you guys can see them. Little fry. I think that's really cool. I can also see some carp out there. You might be able to see them there. Really quite big ones there. This lake does get quite weedy, or at least it goes out for maybe 2 rod lengths. Well, it's been about 2 hours since you last saw me. In that time, I've got my rods out, had a talk to the bailiff, and I've been watching the water very carefully to look for signs of fish. Signs like them cruising about and bubbling. And one of my rods is on an adjustable zig with 4 foot of zig line attached to the zig float with the quick melt PVA tape and a bit of orange foam. I'm using different goos and liquids to change the colour of the foam since the bailiff's... Well, it's been about 2 hours since I last talked to you guys. It's been very stagnant on the lake. Not much been happening at all. I think someone has got into a fish, but they're right over that far side. But it's been completely quiet for me. I've had maybe 1 or 2 liners as I was talking to the bailiff. Still got the same setup, spinner rig on 1 rod, zig rig on another rod. The reason I did put that zig on in the first place is because the carp were cruising. Well, I didn't manage to catch anything today. To be honest, I'm not surprised since it's a really hard lake to fish. But yeah, we'll definitely be going back there. I did switch to I did put a spinner rig on both my rods since the fish weren't cruising at the surface like they were when I first got there. And that isn't really surprising, to be honest, since it did cool down and the part of the lake I was fishing, it was at the corner. If you